Good morning. Welcome to CDT day 45. Had a pretty interesting night last night. A bunch of hikers over and had a bunch of drinks. Forgot to film stuff, as I've mentioned. And it was a good night. So woke up today and haven't had breakfast yet. It's 11 a.m. Just tried to use up as much time as we could in the motel. And now it's checkout time. So we're all checked out, and I loaded my backpack with all the extra beer and wine that was survived last night. So my pack is extremely heavy, probably over 50 pounds though. Luckily, a lot of that's liquid weight that after camp tonight and maybe even camp tomorrow, it'll be gone. So the plan is to take the low route, not the high route along the official CDT, but the low official alternate along the Great Divide Trail, just to be safe because of all the avalanche risk up top. So that is the plan for the day. I will be with Jacob and Two Slice. Jacob is currently walking to the Colorado border because he missed the last section, so he's walking that. And then Two Slice is on a phone call. So once they're done, get some breakfast and then enjoy getting back on trail and starting to make our way through Colorado and being in the area permanently. So should be nice. Breakfast time, chicken fried steak. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that'd be sweet. We're in what you can call downtown Chama, and Heather's gonna be working her magic with a hitch. Alright, we got a hitch from a nice older lady who loves to help out hikers, and she just brought us up. Oh my god, the wind! Jesus, the wind! I brought us up to Cumbres Pass, which is where we are right now. Just a hair over 10,000 feet in elevation. And now we have a 13-mile road walk ahead of us because we're taking the low route. So we don't want to go up into the mountains and get ourselves killed in an avalanche. Not my favorite thing to do. Walking the old road. It's very beautiful out here, which is nice. Makes the walking a bit easier. And it's mostly descending since we're doing the low route. So we're going from 10,000 down to 8,800, something like that. And we'll probably camp there, call it like a somewhere between 13 and 20 mile day. See how it goes once we get off of this road in a total of 13 miles. But my backpack, whew, it's feeling heavy right now, but in a good way, because I know that this is like training weight, you know? Because, oh, my backpack feels heavy. Darn, kind of sucks. Then I get to camp, drink some beer, drink some wine. All of a sudden the next morning, it doesn't feel as heavy anymore. Even though it's heavier than my original weight, it's comparatively lighter, and then I feel better, and I get stronger. So that's the logic I'm using, is to kind of twist this into an optimistic light. Working out so far. We walked about 6.5 miles just to get to pretty much the same exact elevation that we started with at Cumbres Pass. Oh, let me just get back on the correct side of the road. Okay, mother. You see that? We're hiking on the right side of the road. And by right, I mean correct. But anyways, we just went about 6.5 miles, and we probably dropped like a couple hundred feet and then just climbed several hundred feet back up to another pass. So we just basically hiked in like this giant snow bowl at a high elevation. At some point this thing is going to drop like a roller coaster because we have to get down to under 9,000 feet in elevation. So almost 1,400 feet. Yeah, I think I'm going to like Colorado. This is the road walk. The road walk. Oh, it's so beautiful. So the two of us just got some trail magic. Reese's! We finally made it down to the river valley, and the river is some Mexican name that I can't pronounce, so I'm not going to butcher it. But we're down around 8,800 to 8,900 feet in elevation. It's much warmer down here. There's no snow, and it's looking beautiful. So it might make tomorrow a good hiking day. But we're going to check out some campsites up here, see if we can end our day at about 13 and a half miles, and then just wait for Jacob to catch up to us, because he decided to walk from Chama into Colorado. So he has about an extra 13 to 15 miles on top of what we did. We don't want to go too far and make him work too hard. And there's the river. She's a beaut. Alright, so once we got to the river, we realized that there's no camping allowed there. So the note we had that said you can camp here must be old. So the next possible location for camping legally is at mile 19, and we're currently at about 13, so it's another 6-mile walk. Now, we can do that with reasonable amount of time, but we're worried about Jacob. Not sure if he can handle that, because that would be like a 33, 34 mile day for him starting at 11 a.m. That's kind of tough. So instead, we are going to wait by the river, and Two Slices putting together a fire for us. Doing great. I'm sitting here doing nothing, being useless, and we're just gonna wait here for Jacob, and then once he comes, then we'll figure out how to proceed, whether or not we're gonna get to that campground by night hiking, or getting there in the later evening, or have to come up with something else, but we'll figure it out. For now, shoes off, relax, dry out, have a little fire, maybe some dinner, and wait. Look who we found. It's Jacob. He's back. And he's got a road beer. Remember, everyone, the name of the game is Casual Colorado. Take it easy out there, folks. Enjoy the high life. Look at the little baby. Get out of the way, Mom. Mom, get out of the way. Ugh. So tired of this stuff, Mom. This road walk is so cool. There's like giant mountains, granite peaks, but what I want to show you right now is all the elk. You're seeing about 4 of them, but there are dozens of elk just out grazing in the fields or in the meadows of this river valley. How freaking incredible is that? Oh my God. I don't think I've ever had a road walk this incredible. We just see so much beautiful stuff, and then wildlife. Colorado, after only about 15 to 17 miles, has been amazing so far. Let's see if I can get... Oh yeah, there's another... Whew, got another window. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... How about the sunset posting its beautiful glow against those rocks? Oh, baby, that's a beaut. We did it. We made it to Spectacle Lake Campground, where we are ending our night. And I see toilets over there. We are in! Alright, so we made it to camp like just before dark, so I got camp set up, and it's after dark now. So just waiting on some dinner to cook. Have a Knorr rice side. So some cheddar broccoli and rice. Sounds good for the evening. And just waiting for that to cook, and then just chilling, finishing up these beers. What else? We got a little bit of wine we might have, or we'll save it. I don't know. We'll just see where the night takes us. You know. And then hop into bed, probably watch an episode of something. I got some Black Mirror episodes downloaded, so that's pretty exciting. Get into that show. What is that on my beard? Alright, we're safe. So basically, not much else going on. So I'm calling that the end of day 44. An awesome day in Colorado. And I got some photos. Check them out and let me know what you think. See you tomorrow.